How's it going, guys? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Foobar2000, which is a free audio player for Windows. Now the first thing that you want to do is go to a search engine. I'm using DuckDuckGo, and simply search for Foobar2000 download. The first link should be the correct one. It says download Foobar2000, so just click on that. And here where it says latest stable version, download Foobar2000 and then the version number, just click on that. And save the installer to your hard drive. Once the installer is downloaded, just go ahead and open it. When the installer is open, you can click on next. Then agree to the license agreement. And here you can select if you want a standard or portable installation. I'm just going to go ahead with the standard installation. And then click on next. And here you can select where you want to install Foobar2000. For me, this default location is fine, so I'm just going to click on next. Here you can select the type of installation. You can either select full installation, normal, minimum, or custom installation. I'm just going to go ahead with the full installation. Then click on install. And once you're done, click on finish. And there we go. That's how you do it. That's how you download and install the latest version of Foobar2000. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in another video.